morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are. This is a tutorial showing you how to make a title screen within the Illustrator. Hope you enjoy it. So you start by pressing Command and the Illustrator. Going through the presets. I've gone to film and web, but you can go film and video, which I think might be in there. Couldn't find it, so I've gone and scrolled down to see what other presets there are. Still couldn't find it, so I created a text that expand all to see the other options. I'm ideally looking for 1920 by 1720 or 1080 by 1720. So go to the dialog box and type in 1280 pixels by 720 pixels. Once you do this, document opens. I pressed M on the keyboard, but I want to put my logo on it, which I think is quite important. So I've gone to my website at jgpartworker.com, into the portrait section, and just press Command Shift 4 to bring up the screenshot box on the keyboard, on the mouse, and screenshot the logo. I'm going to the desktop where it's saved to, hovered over Illustrator and imported it in. Then Command Shift, near the corner to scale it down, Command Z to undo this, Command Shift to scale it down again. I will know when I put a background behind this and it's got a white border around it, so in order to get rid of this, what I need to do is go to image trace, expand, and delete the area around it. But before that, I thought I'd do a gradient, and I think this would be a nice fill as a border. So you go to the gradient tool, which is the middle tool in the middle of the keyboard, in the middle of the colour palette at the bottom, and adjust the colours to whatever you prefer. One for two similar colours, but I feel in order for it to stand out, a brighter colour would be preferable. So I've opted for a red and a pink. And what I've done is lower the opacity to 77%. This was too bright and I wanted to give it a bit of a vibrancy that wasn't too starch. And Command C, Command F to duplicate this in place. And Command Shift to scale this down, to click another square. To right click, reflect to give it an ambiance. Then I press T on the keyboard to bring up the text tool, but before this I've image traced the logo, expanded it, A on the keyboard to select the areas around it and then delete it, so that way the logo just sits without the frame. And then bring up the text tool, type up my text, how to make I thought capitals would be better, font spec in Illustrator. I'll select the fonts, going to the font list, adjust the colour. I've gone to the video that I previously made, screenshotted the area around it again, placed it in the middle to make sort of like a preview of what it would be. Added a subtitle, didn't like it in the corner, so I thought I'd scale the image, the logo down again, and then put it on either side. And to finish off, I've added my website to the bottom, deleted the fill, and added a stroke and adjusted the JGP to my italic and the art worker to a regular, both in, I think it was Gil San, I'm not too sure. So that way you can read it as JGP separate from art worker, but JGP artwork as a brand. Hope you enjoyed it. Catch you in the next one. Alright, bye.